Hi, it's Chris East from East Partners here. Thanks for taking the time to take a look at this quick video. I thought it might be easier to put this in a verbal format rather than a big long email because there's a few things I wanted to share. First up, I want to say a big thanks to every single one of you during what's been a really difficult time. For all of you that have run small businesses that have reached out for help. For those of you that have had investment portfolios that have been hit by market downturns and a little bit of upturn in recent times. For those of you who have had some challenges around being laid off or stood down or whatever and looking for assistance around JobSeeker and various other Centrelink and early access to super, thanks for your ongoing support and putting your trust in us to be able to support you and continue to support you through this really difficult time. It's been my pleasure and my team's pleasure to be able to help and continue to serve you in any way we can. For those of you with small businesses, you would have seen your JobKeeper payments. For those of you that are eligible, have registered and so forth, you should have seen payments start to flow. For those of you that haven't registered, aren't sure if you're eligible, maybe have a few questions, please get in touch. Now is not the time to think, oh, I don't want to put my hand up. Yeah, look, it's on the table. Any support that's out there, I suggest in this case, absolutely take it where you can. Cash flow boost payments, yes, those have continued or started to roll out and will continue to roll out through the business activity statement system. Again, any questions, please get in touch with myself and my team. We're happy to help. There's various other state government grants and incentives. Again, for some of you, they've been applied for. If you need assistance, have questions around that, yes, please let me know. The cash flow boost, the JobKeeper payments, the government grants and incentives, they are substantial. In one case I've seen with one client, it's represented nearly $500,000 over a 6-month period. That's probably the difference between them surviving this whole situation and failing. So yeah, there are incentives out there, please reach out. For those of you with investment portfolios, as I said, yes, the market really did pull back towards the back end of March, and then it had a bounce during April, and it's kind of been going sideways since. I think there could be scope for further correction. That's not just me thinking that. There's a few other research houses thinking the same. So now's probably not the time to be all in, but if you have questions around that, please get in touch. We'll continue to guide you through this interesting time. If you've been unfortunately laid off or stood down from work, you're needing assistance with Centrelink and possibly early access to super, again, get in touch. Here to help. One of the more recent things is a notification from Revenue SA regarding land tax. There's land tax changes afoot that are happening from 30 June 2020. If you do have an investment property, yes, you will be affected by this, whether the investment property is in your name jointly, via a trust, via a company, via a super fund. If it's investment property, it doesn't matter how it's held, it's going to be affected. It's quite tricky when you've got it through an entity such as a company or a trust. There are some documents and support that need to be lodged as part of the request that Revenue SA has asked for, and some of the elections are irrevocable. So it's really, really important to get them right. I would encourage you to get in touch with any questions. We're already talking with a number of you around options and strategies. So again, yes, if you've got questions, please reach out. So yes, as I said from the outset, thanks for your continued support. We're here to help. I guess that's the thing. It's been a terribly difficult time, but for you to continue to put your trust in us and seek out our guidance and counsel, it's been my pleasure to help you all in this time of difficulty and need. So we'll continue to be here. We are open. We are regular. We're here to help. We're taking face-to-face appointments if you're comfortable. If you'd like to do Zoom calls and so forth, again, that's fine as well. But however you want to converse, yeah, get in touch. Thanks for watching.